I'm Kat, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make this advent calendar that you can hang on the back of your door. I love this because it's a space-saving advent calendar and it fits into a very small area. So if you only have a tiny sliver of wall or you only have the back of the door, then this one will work for you and it's not going to leave any marks anywhere. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. This is the first in my 12 DIYs of Christmas that I'll be uploading this year. I'm also uploading 8 Hanukkah videos as usual, but I wanted to get this one up before December 1st so that if any of you wanted to make this, you could, and you could use it for your advent calendar this year. So I'm going to upload this one and then I will upload all of my Hanukkah videos and then I will resume my Christmas videos. So don't be confused if you just see one Christmas video and then it's all Hanukkah. The Christmas ones will be back at the end of Hanukkah. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, make sure you check out the rest of my videos. I have several of these Christmas and Hanukkah playlists and I will link them in the description below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.
For this project, you'll need some pretty scrapbook paper, a long, thin board, whatever length you prefer, scissors, a pen, bags, command hooks for the wall, decorative clothespins, E6000, small gift tags, and whatever letters or numbers you want to decorate your bags with, as well as whatever treats you want to put in them. Begin by laying out your clothespins. You'll want to have 24 clothespins for the days of December leading up to Christmas, or you can do 25 if you prefer to add a gift that includes Christmas as well. Space them out evenly, and then once you're happy with the spacing of them, put a little bit of E6000 on the back of each one and press them into place, making sure that you give them plenty of time to dry before you touch them again. Next, you're ready to start making your little bags. I recommend using regular scrapbook paper and cutting it in half. You end up with long rectangular pieces like this, and at this point you just fold in the long edges. You can fold them in 1 inch, 2 inches, or fold them in to meet in the center. However much you fold them in will change the width of these bags, so they're completely adjustable depending on what you want to put inside the little bags. Then you can adjust how far up you pull one side and fold over the other to make a little pouch. I like to put a fun winter or Christmas activity in pen on the inside of each bag, so when you open it up, you don't just get a little treat, but you also get something fun that you can do with your family or loved ones. Then you package it up like so, fold the top over, you can trim off any excess if you don't want that extra flap, and then use your decorative stickers to create a little tag for each day of the month. If you have larger items you want to include that won't fit in one of your handmade bags, you can always include a regular brown paper bag and spice it up with a decorative piece of scrapbook paper. Clip them into place, and before you mount this on your wall, you'll want to take those little command strips and adhere 2 or 3 of them to the back of your board. I used a fairly small, lightweight board for this, so I just put 2 of these strips on the upper end of my board and then 1 on the lower end, and then I put 3 corresponding strips onto my door and pressed it into place. Once the season is over, I can take them off without marking up the door. I created little tags that all have different types of numbers and made my bags out of a wide variety of paper patterns. And that is the completed project. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Christmas DIYs like this one, stay tuned on my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.